Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now, today I have a very exciting video because we're going to visit a wildlife sanctuary. The North Island Wildlife Recovery Center is one of the best places to visit on Vancouver Island, in my opinion. I've been there so many times now and I love it. I'm just obsessed with it. So they take in injured wildlife. It's mostly birds, but they do have some small mammals, and one time they even had a pair of bear cubs. I feel at my most inspired and happy in places like these, both creatively and just as a human being. I love being surrounded by animals, and growing up my mom was always rescuing some creature or another, so places like these are very dear to my heart. This footage is a bit old because we're under pretty strict travel restrictions at the moment, but the center's still open as far as I know, and if you live in the area, I'd highly recommend it. It's completely non-profit, so it's great to support places like these if you can. Now, this time I decided I would try to draw some of the animals, and I'm usually too scared to draw in public, but I really enjoy sketching animals from life. You know, even if it's just my cats. Although I have been sneakily putting out food on my balcony for the crows, and they're so cute, I love them so much. Anyway, later in the video, I paint some of the sketches, so stick around for that if you'd like. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know down below which is your favorite bird in the sanctuary. I genuinely want to know because birds are amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in my next video.